Now, the World Health Organization has reiterated its commitment to contain the spread of the COVID-19 global pandemic, despite the number of confirmed cases in the increased. The Director General of the World Health Organization raised the need to be cautious with the easing of restrictions across the countries. Here is more details of that in this report. Director General of the World Health Organization, Dr. Tedros Ghebreyesus, on Wednesday told reporters that more than 10.3 million cases of the COVID-19 have now been reported, and with more than 506,000 deaths worldwide. 60% of the confirmed cases were reported in the month of June. Dr. Tedros assured that the WHO will never relent in its effort to contain the pandemic, relying on a comprehensive approach.
We will never get tired of saying that the best way out of this pandemic is to take a comprehensive approach. Find, isolate, test, and care for every case, trace and quarantine every contact, equip and train health workers, and educate and empower communities to protect themselves and others.
The WHO chief warned that more new cases could be expected as countries start to lift restrictions. He noted that a system must be in place to contain the virus to avoid the reintroduction of widespread restrictions.
Flare-ups are to be expected as countries start to lift restrictions. But countries that have the systems in place to apply a comprehensive approach should be able to contain these flare-ups locally and avoid reintroducing widespread restrictions.
The regional director for the Eastern Mediterranean region, Dr. Ahmed Mandari, said there is a need for more commitment in responding to the crisis at hand, considering the fact that half of all countries in the region are faced with humanitarian emergencies. Millions of people live in camps or camps-like settings as the health system are devastated by years of war.
We have a considerable migrant workforce in the region, and these individuals are more exposed to COVID-19 than others. They are more vulnerable. So with partners and national authorities, we are working to make sure that the needs of migrants and migrant workers are addressed and to make sure they are protected.
As of Wednesday, more than 10 million cases had been confirmed worldwide, and more than 500,000 confirmed deaths were recorded, according to the World Health governing body. Reporting for Africa News, I am Amadou Kante.